Smart Rapper Gang.
What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Fantastic video. You want to make more money with your music? This video is going to do it for you. This is how you're going to be able to double the amount of money you make from your music streams, okay? And when I realized this, I was like, yo, like this is a smart way. Like honestly, you could damn near quadruple your money if you do this correctly and you have the right song. You could take your, like I had said in the other video when I told you guys I was going to make this video, is you could take your streams. If you're making $500 a month from your streams, right? Like it's the base amount that an artist is on the come up is going to make, you're going to be making like a decent amount of money from streams. Well, if you can implement what I'm going to talk to you guys about today into your songs, you could take that, quadruple that. You could be making $2,000 a month. That's probably how much money you make at your day job right now. And if you can quit your day job and focus more on music, well, then you're going to make more money from music and your music career is going to progress faster, right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. So of course you're going to be smarter after you watch this video, and you're going to learn today right after the intro.
I got this right here, man. It's time for word of the day. New words you can say, new words for your rhymes and for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, you'll be smarter than you was before. This is so stupid.
Today's word of the day is chastise. It's to harshly criticize someone for doing something wrong. When you start making your journey to your big goals and people don't understand what it's like to chase a dream, they're gonna chastise you for it. But that doesn't mean shit, because you can push through it and you can do it. Fuck them. Now, what do you want to happen? You want somebody to listen to your song, and then you want them to keep re-listening to your song and re-listening to your song. You want them to click that repeat button because you get paid per stream on these streaming sites. This is how it works now. So the more you can get a listener to want to replay your song, the more money you're gonna make, okay? So now we're gonna talk about the small little psychological factors and things you can implement into your actual songs that will make them want to click that replay button. Let's do it. Now think about this. If your song is 4 minutes long, okay? 4 minutes long. By the time they get to the end of the song, they may be like, 4 minutes, that's enough of that song for me. I don't really need to put it on repeat because of the length of the song. Remember, we're in an age where we have very short attention spans, okay? And if you can kind of cut somebody off before their attention span can kick off, they kind of want more of it, right? It's just how it is. It's just how it is. It's human nature. Now, if your song's only 2 minutes long, they haven't quite had enough of it when the song ends, they stream it again, what happens? You just made double the streaming money. Per person. I'm not just talking about one person clicking it twice. I'm talking about if you have thousands of fans, that's thousands of extra streams, plus your counter on your streams, on your YouTube views, your Spotify streams, your Apple Music streams are higher. Who doesn't want that? And that's organic, that's real, that's really growing, and you're making more money too. Come on now. Now, if you make a song 2 minutes long, plus you add the psychological factor of really getting them to a point where they're really feeling the song, but then it kind of cuts off and they don't get that thrill or that satisfaction that you're supposed to get from the crescendo and the rise and falls of a song, they're gonna replay your song again. Now you may not realize it, but when you listen to a song, songs are arranged in ways that crescendo, they go up and then they drop again and then they rebuild, and this brings out inside of the listener that feeling. That's why when a chorus comes in, you're like, yeah, the chorus. And when the song's about to end, it's louder and louder and louder than it was anywhere else in the song, because it's building up to that point to really excite the listener. You want to make sure that you give them that thrill, but you only give them enough of that thrill to where they want to keep coming back. Great example. All right, not trying to be perverted at all, but it's just a great example. If you're gonna have sex, if you start having sex, girls and guys, it goes both ways. If you're having sex, but you don't get to come, you're like, I don't want to stop, like I didn't get to finish. And your brain, you keep trying to reach and get that satisfaction or that thrill, and until you get it, you kind of keep going for it until it's almost like, well, if I can't get it, I'm just gonna move on about my day, okay? Or with the songs here, you can give them enough of the thrill where they love listening to the song, but then they want to listen to the song again to get that thrill again, but they weren't given enough of the thrill. Do you see what I'm saying here? If we can implement this strategy into our songs through the song arrangement and the song writing and the production of the song, you have a very powerful tool for quadrupling the amount of money and streams you get. And that's why this is Smart Rapper. Let's go over some songs that actually already do this right now. Like a song that's pretty popular right now. It's already got like 12, 13 million views just on the YouTube video alone, okay? I'm gonna go with Take Hard. The song's only about 2 minutes long, which means it goes by like this. At the end of this song, because it's catchy, because the way that it's put together, when the second verse ends on this song, you want that chorus to loop at least one more time. And because the chorus doesn't loop again, what do you have to do? You have to loop the song again to hear the chorus again. Sneaky. I don't think they did this on purpose, but that was sneaky. Now, because you want more of the chorus, you keep looping the song and keep giving them more streams. and more money. A strategy you can use to implement this into your music now, a very basic one, is instead of giving the listener 2 choruses or a full chorus, at the end of the song, only give them half of the chorus or 1 chorus. Okay, and that's going to, instead of looping it twice, it's going to abruptly cut out at the end, like it does in this song. Like I said, the heart goes out.
I'm very hard, bitch, I'm very hard.
Right? And you're like, mother, where's the other chorus at? You know what I'm saying? You want it to go again, right? So when you do that, when you abruptly cut it off, they're like, okay, I need to fucking stream it again until I get that satisfaction, until I get that mental, you know what I'm saying? So doing the 1 chorus, then additionally, abruptly cutting out the beat, because also not only do you want the chorus, but your mind wants to keep hearing that beat go as well too, right? Because you've heard it throughout the whole song. You want to tingle that part of your brain that's like, oh, give me that one more time so I can get that. It's like some people like if they don't finish the sentence, like if I don't, you're like, finish what you were saying. Right? You're almost like, that's annoying. Finish it, you know, so you want to loop it again. Another thing you can do with the beat is, if you don't abruptly cut it off, you can actually fade it out at the end in the middle of a bar instead of the end of the bar, because they want to hear the end of the bar loop, and that's a very, very subliminal thing that'll psychologically make them want to play it again. These are like really small things. And I've actually done this in songs. Actually, I did this in Friends and Enemies. I play the chorus, but then I remember being in the studio, and when we finished it, we're like, let's just cut off the end real quick. It's going to make sure that people actually want to like replay the song again, because they want to hear that chorus again. You just became a smarter rapper. All right, so please hit me with a subscribe, and when you hit subscribe, hit the little bell, because it's going to notify every day when I release a new video, so you can become a smarter rapper. And again, I release these videos every single day so you can get smarter. So if you're subscribed, you're gonna be way further than everybody else is, okay? All right, so go ahead and hit me with a like, hit me with a comment, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with another video. But until then, check out these other videos. I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, gang?
Smart rapper, gang.